If the Earth suddenly stopped spinning, you would instantly be thrown eastward at a speed of 1,000 miles per hour. This would happen because the force of motion would still be acting on the surface of the Earth, causing everything to continue moving as before. Anything not firmly attached to the Earth would be flung far away. Even the oceans would violently shift from their places. And since the atmosphere would keep rotating, extremely strong winds would sweep across the entire planet. Day and night would also completely change. A single day would last for 6 months, with one half of the planet in constant sunlight and the other half trapped in total darkness. The side facing the sun would become extremely hot, while the other side would freeze under unbearable cold. Over time, the magnetic field of the Earth would weaken without rotation, and dangerous cosmic radiation from space would start reaching the surface. Life on Earth, as we know it, would struggle to survive in these extreme conditions. So what do you think about this? And for more videos like this, stay connected with us.